Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see with column transformation. In Pyspark, with column transformation is easy to add a new column to a data frame or replace an existing column with a new value. Okay, suppose it's work like a if you are already aware of in data flow in Azure data factory, we have data flow, right? It work like a derived column transformation. Similar kind of thing is okay. So this transformation is quite powerful, can be used to perform various operations on the data such as calculation, string manipulation, or applying function. So these are syntax there, data frame dot with column, call name, and call. Here call name is the name of the new column or the call with the existing column that you want to replace. Okay. Suppose this is the existing column, which column you want to replace in the data frame. So call is the expression or column that you want to use for the new column. Okay. So I will show you with one example, you will understand why. So in this example, we are using a common use case for with easy to derive a new column based on existing data. For example, if you want to have a data frame containing employee data, you might want to add a column or that calculate the annual salary based on monthly salary. So this is a just general employee data we have, and it contain annual salary. I want to calculate on the monthly base salary. Suppose annual salary based on monthly salary, guys. Okay. Now this is the code. I'm importing the required libraries, Pyspark.sql, and required. I want to create one section, right, in order to display the data. So for the data frame, I'm creating a Spark section here with help of this method. Okay. Spark section dot builder dot app name. You can mention the name get or create method. Now here is a tuple. I have for the data set. I have utilized data equal to Rahim and Ram, John. These are the values for the respective Rahim, Ram, John. Now after this one, assigning the data set. Now I'm creating a data frame. Why? Because I want to create a data frame and has well a display in the columns, right? So this is the Rahim and this is the 3000. So I want to assign a name and monthly salary. So columns equal to name, monthly salary. After this one, I'm creating a data frame. Spot.dot create data frame. Data equal to data is this is the data set and column. So now I'm printing the data frame. Print original data frame df.show. Guys, I'm just for testing purpose. For testing purpose and just showcasing purpose, I'm utilizing this data frame. But in real time, don't utilize a print function. It will impact some performance issues also. So adding a new column with annual salary by multiplying monthly salary. df with annual salary, df dot with. So df dot with the column. This data frame, whatever you create a data frame, it contains this data. So annual salary, call monthly salary. Okay, it is going to create annual salary with help of this transformation. Call is helps you select a particular column. On top of that, it is going to create a transformation. So right now I'm using call salary. Here monthly salary I'm selecting into 12. So annual salary will be created, and this whatever monthly salary calculation it will display, and it will utilize for the annual salary values. So right now I'm updating the data frame. So df the annual salary dot show. Now, if you observe here, this is the data. Before the original data frame, this is the after applying the transformation with the column. So monthly salary column. Now this is a new column which created with help of monthly salary. Okay, with help of monthly salary values, we created a new annual salary by using this is the data frame. By using this is the transformation. I mean to say. Okay. Now, if you observe here, this is a sample code already. This is a explanation for the sample code. So we have created a Spark section and we have created sample data with help of tuple for the employee name and monthly salary, and now creating a data frame in order for the sample data set. Now using with column transformation, we add a new column called annual salary, which is calculated by multiple by monthly salary by 12. Displaying the data frame, we can use the originally and updated data frame by using show method. Now, for example, you want to remove a column, existing column you want to remove. So you have to create a one variable df dot with annual salary dot drop. Drop method which helps you remove the column. Now, after removing the column, this is the output, annual salary. Monthly salary has been removed and this is the output. Now I want to rename a column. To rename an existing column, you can use the column renamed method. df dot rename with column rename annual salary, yearly salary. Okay. So I'm renaming the annual salary, yearly salary. After applying the transformation, you can display the data with help of show. This is the output we are getting. I hope you understand this with column transformation, guys. In real time, this will be play very key role Okay, you want to create a new column, you want to display a data, right? With renaming the column, and also you want to add a value to the newly column, right? So these are the major use case for the real-time world. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Motivate me.